Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on away. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. Cause space makes me sad. Cause space makes me sad.
मैं डार्क चॉकलेट खा रही थी अभी. Then I have my brush pens, my microns, a list. I have my journal over here, journal. I have a 2021 setup on my channel. If you haven't seen it, what are you doing with your life? Matlab, probably better than me. Never mind. Yup. And like that. So this is where I left in my last setup video. Then I left some pages, and this is the first spread that I did. It is a character from anime, and I really like it. And I'm going to do more of these. And your girl messed up. This was not supposed to be for January but February, but I did not correct it, and I ended up making a different one for February to plan the month. And these are the weekly spread which we are going to do again. So as you can see, I really keep my weekly plans or setups really very simple, for I don't want to waste much of the time in just the decoration and stuff, but the actual planning. And I just use my brush pens and these microns. I like how these are very simple, took just 5 to 10 minutes to make and look really good at the same time. Moving on to actually planning. So how I do it is I go to the month at a glance wala spread, and then I just lay down the different subjects on different dates and try to balance them out, and then simply copy it on the weekly spreads. That really helps in planning a lot. And then I made some origami wrappets. See me struggle to open this Manchurian cup box or whatever. This was for our dinner. I really like it a lot. It is semi gravy, by the way, and that is my brother, if you didn't know him. Yep. The next day I started my day with doing the learning part first, because I wake up early to learn, and here I am doing math because I did not film me learning social and stuff because it's very early in the morning. It's really very dark and I usually study on my bed, so I did not film it. But that's me doing maths, and it's probably after 7, like after the sun rises. Yes, I want to eat that, but first we will complete the task at hand. This is me the next day revising chemistry. I was like, when I was sitting to do chemistry, I was like, there are only 3 chapters in chemistry. I will do them in no time. These are easy. And I literally forgot about carbons and that periodic classification. Yeah. see me struggle opening a box, part 2. I bought myself this face wash for my acne and it better work or else my mom is going to kill me. And then we have wait a second, like I got 3 like these things. It's so cute. So it's a face mask, scrub and wash. After like wasting hours, I finally sat down to study, and you will be glad to know I could not complete chemistry. I mean, I did not do carbons and periodics. Damn me.
Lay me down behind the moon. Tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more.
I am writing answers for civics. Being very honest, I'm not good with writing social के answers. History फिर भी मेरे से बन जाता है, but like civics and economics, no, I can't. So that's why I thought, let me just practice it once. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm referring to the notes that I made on that chapter from the book, and also the web, and the sites that I really rely on are Brainly, Topper and Study Rankers. I think those are the best.
Feeling like Pluto. You already knew though.
So my bestie came over and I made Maggie for her. So nice of me, right? And yeah, that's the only clip she could give me as content to do with it. This is me early in the morning doing life processes. It's an easy but lengthy chapter, so I was revising, and these notes are the notes that I get from my coaching classes that I attend. I have got a lot of requests to provide the PDFs of the notes that I have, so I will highly suggest you guys to go and check Athar Puranik's YouTube channel, and you will get all the handwritten notes PDF for free. I think that was it for the video, guys. Everybody wanted me to do the voiceover, so I did, and I hope you liked this video. And if you did, please don't forget to like, drop a comment and subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.